Alright, my first pass. I haven't quite figured out how to shut off traction control on this damn thing, but this is the first pass on the H2 with it being extended. So let's see how this works out. I did okay, but definitely could have done way better. Trying to get my positioning on the bike proper, obviously throttle, clutches, everything, but the bike dead hooked right there. Traction control intervened just a little bit, a little ways out. So I think I'll be ready to disable traction control. I'm gonna just check the new chain and make sure it's in good shape and didn't stretch too much from that run, and let the bike cool down. Let's see what she did. Can't hardly read it. This guy hands me this shit upside down all the time. Huh. 9.1, 166, so there's a lot of room. A lot of room in this thing. Wow, that's pretty freaking fast. 8s are definitely in the forecast for today. So I figured out how to shut off the Kawasaki traction control. We're gonna make another hit here. Inlet temps aren't too hot. They're in the mid 120s. So we'll see how it goes. Get a little heat into this tire. Okay. Let's see what happens here. I feel like I'm sitting too high on the bike. Now I see why Adam takes all the padding out of his seat. Not racing anybody, just myself. That felt damn good. Felt damn good. I just don't want to beat up the brakes so much on the bike because I'm running out of shutdown. Much faster than my 800-pound cruiser. Back when Mr. 650 Eve and I first met, I took him out and he had his H2 and I raced him on my big Rocket 3 Roadster with nearly the same horsepower to the rear tire, but the Rocket was almost 2 H2s in weight. And I just had the Rocket at the track a couple weeks ago. Won a best of 10-2 at 131 miles an hour. And this is killing that, of course. Where'd it just go? 9-0. Keeps it from wheeling, yep. Okay, went a little bit faster. I'll take it. Third pass. Ooh.
You got full leathers? You gotta get them.
I can bring them next time. I had no idea it's a new setup, so I had no idea how fast it was going to be.
$10.99.
Really? You guys didn't say anything last week on my cruiser?
I forgot about it, but
okay.
you're fine. I'm not saying no.
Okay.
Well, you gotta have a tether switch too.
Okay.
You're good though.
All right, thank you. So we got step up to H2 with some more safety equipment. But that's fine. I'm okay with that. I'll get set up here. This bee would leave me alone. Good. Okay, gotta try really getting after it this time. Wow, that felt good. Felt like my leg was on fire for a minute there. Okay. 9-0 again. Mile an hour sucked. Well, let me give her another try here, see what happens. So she wheelied a little bit. Oh, we'll give her a little bit of a break. Feels weird wheeling a extended bike like that. Definitely give her a cool down. Check that chain out, see what happened. Okay, racing the super fast S1000. Just gotta clean the tire off. And see how this goes. pass felt okay, but I still don't think that was my 8-second pass. Throttle's so twitchy on this bike, I end up hitting the clutch a lot harder than what I am really anticipating to walk it out. But I don't know, we'll see. Spun a little bit there. Let's try something a little different, like not spinning that much. Okay, see whether I can get my shit together here. Bike needs to cool down, so this will be the last one for a little bit. Felt pretty good. Let's see what happened. It's gonna be probably a couple Hail Mary passes. Low fuel level, so we're gonna have to head straight over and get fuel. I literally ate through a tank of fuel just for a few miles and a bunch of I don't know, probably 8 passes here. So my best, 884, over 160 mile an hour. Alright, he's gonna let me go up there. I can go stick in my... I'll go in the far lane here and give it another try. Okay, see whether we can feed her just right enough throttle and clutch. Try that again. Almost threw me off. That was wicked. Here we go, Taylor. Doing really good. That new gearing we did on the bike definitely helped. There he goes. He's doing really good on balance point here. Oh, he's starting to lose it. There he goes. That was a good one, Taylor.